Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to implement a data warehouse. We are going to implement a data warehouse for student performance analysis using PostgreSQL, and also we are going to draw some meaningful insights, and also we are going to create some interactive dashboards using Power BI. So we are implementing a data warehouse. For implementing a data warehouse, we need raw data. For raw data, we are going to download Dataset from Fixture. Just simply open any of your Chrome browser and search for Fixture in it. And then search for OULAB. Here you can see that Open University Learning Analysis Dataset. Just click on this link, and you will be redirected to this Open University Learning Data Analytics page. See here you can see student assessment, student VLE, assessment, courses, student info, registration and VLE. VLE is nothing but virtual learning environment. So just click on the download button. I have already downloaded it. So click on the download button, download it and unzip it. After successfully installing the dataset, just open pgadmin for pgadmin4 is nothing but the interface for PostgreSQL. Here you can see servers. Click on it. And then here you can see PostgreSQL 17. Click on it. It is asking for the password. Kindly enter the password that you have given during the installation of PostgreSQL 17 and then click on OK. Now here you can see databases. Inside databases we are having a default database known as Postgres. So for our project we are going to create a database. For that just right click on the database and then click on create and then click on database. See here it is asking for the name. I'm giving the name for database is education underscore dwdm. Okay, and then click on save. See, it was created. We have successfully created a database named education underscore data warehouse and data mining. And then inside the schemas, here you can see tables. We are going to insert the tables in this. So now open Anaconda and then open the Jupyter notebook. See, it will look like this. Now upload all the data sets that you have installed and then create a new Python file. I have already created the Python file, so I am using that. Here you can see project underscore data warehouse and data mining. See, I have loaded all the CSV files over here. See, these are assessment courses, student assessment, student info, student registration, student VLE, and then VLE. I have already said that VLE is virtual learning environment. So, as we can see, assessment.info. Here we are having code module, code presentation, assessment ID, assessment type, date and weight. So, let us run them. So, first I am running the first cell to load all these data sets into these names, and then we will run this assessment.info and this courses.info. See, now I am running this. Here we have code module, code presentation, assessment ID, assessment type, date and weight. After that I am running courses.info. In the courses we are having code module, code presentation and module presentation length. And then we are running student assignment.info. In student assignment.info we are having assignment id, student id and the submitted date and the score they got for submitting the assessment. After that, in student information we are having code module, code presentation, ID, and gender, region, higher education, and age and number of previous attempts and the final result. After that, inside the student registration, we are having code module, code presentation, student ID, registration date, and unregistration date. After that, inside studentvle.info, we are having code module, code presentation, student ID, and the sum of click. Here you can observe that we are having more than 1 crore entries in this. And then in studentvle.info, we are having I decide code module, code presentation, and the week from to week. After that, we are implementing this data warehouse using a star schema. So for star schema, we need dimension tables and fact tables. Here is our dimension table one. Here we are naming it as dimension underscore student. Here you can see student info. From student info, we are taking student ID, gender, region, higher education, age, number of previous attempts, studied credits and disability and final results. And we are dropping the duplicates and then I am printing the head of this. So let's run this. And after that, here comes the second dimension table course. We are taking this from the courses. And then we are renaming the attributes in the courses for readability. And then I am printing the head of it. See here, you can see the course module presentation and presentation length. After that, from assignments, we are creating another dimension table dimension underscore assessment. Here we are having code module and code presentation. We are renaming it for readability and I am printing the head. You can see over here. After that, from VLE, we are taking site from where the video was uploaded and the code module, code presentation, activity type, and a week details. After that, we are removing the duplicates and we are creating the dimension table VLE. After that, we are creating the dimension table registration. We are from the student registration, we are taking student ID, code module, code presentation, registration date, and unregistration date. Also, we are dropping the duplicates and then we are printing the head. After that, we are going to create the main table, the fact table. To create the fact table from student assessment and student really. So we are taking assignment ID, code module, presentation, and weight. After that, from VLE, we are grouping it from student ID and some underscore clicks. After that, I am printing the first five tables of attributes of a fact underscore student performance. This is the fact table. Here comes the main thing. From Scala Academy, we are importing Create Engine and then we are establishing a relationship for PostgreSQL. Here you can see it is given PostgreSQL and Psycop. After that, this is the Postgres, the username, and this is the password that I have created, and this is the local host, the server name, and this is the port number. This is the default port number, and you have already seen that we have created a database known as education underscore data warehouse and data mining. Here you see this education underscore DWDM. So I'm running this to check whether this is listening or not. Just open your command prompt, search for CMD, open your command prompt, and then type this command. Let's start ANO find str and the port number 5432 and then enter. See, here you can see on the port number 5432 it was listening. After clicking that, a connection was established. So the connection between pgadmin4 and the Python code was successful, and then now we are going to send these data frames to PostgreSQL. So just click enter. It will take some time to upload all these data frames to PostgreSQL. See here you can see all tables uploaded to PostgreSQL successfully. Now open pgadmin4 and open education underscore DWDM and then inside the schemas, tables, see. Here you can see we are having the six tables. We have created five dimension tables and one fact table. So let's right click on it and then click on view or edit data and then select all rows. See here you can see all the rows present in that. We can do some other modifications too. For that we can write it queries using, just go over here and then select the server PostgreSQL 17. See, and enter the database name. See the database it education underscore dwdm, and then enter your password, and then save and connect. See, now we are going to see the score. So right, just we are taking score from fact underscore student underscore performance, the fact table. We are ordering it by total number of clicks, and we will see the first five. So I'm limiting it by 5. Just run this. See here, you can see like this. We can query and we can generate the output. Now let us create some dashboards. For creating dashboards, search for download Power BI, and then search for Power BI. Here it is. Open the app. It may take some time. Now after opening the Power BI, click on get data from other sources. See, now here we are having PostgreSQL database. Select it and then connect it. See here, it is asking the server and the database. The server is localhost and the database is education underscore dwdm, and then we are importing the data. Click on OK. Here you can see the dimension tables and the fact tables. I'm selecting all of them, and then load them. See, inside the data we are having all the tables. So we will visualize some performance. So let us go with the pie chart first. Just click on the pie over here and drag it, and I'm going to increase the size of this. Yes, now it looks somewhat better. And then from student dimension table, I'm going to select final results. Just click on it, final results, or you can drag and drop it. See here, final results and credits, student credits. Just drag and drop over here. See, now you can see the sum of student credits by final results. Now we are going to create a bar graph. So click on the bar graph. We will increase some size of. Okay, this is good. And then now from fact table, we are going to select score. Just drag the score and keep over here. After that, code presentation. See here, you can see the sum of score by code presentation. Now we are going to draw a scatter plot. It might be better. Yes. Now further, from the fact table only, we are selecting score. So drag and drop score. After that, total number of clicks, and then code presentation. Now here you can see the sum of score and sum of total clicks by code presentation. Like this we can draw many insights. So this is how we will create data warehouse. Thank you for listening. Have a good day.